So imagine wrapping a flat piece of paper around a round ball. Imagine wrapping a flat piece of paper around a round ball. It crumples, right? Exactly. This is because the ball is round and the paper is flat. So is our body. Our body is full of curves. And to make clothes that fit perfectly, we need to be able to make turn a flat fabric to hug the body. We need to be able to make to figure out how to turn this flat fabric into something that can hug the body. And how do we do that? We need to study the fabric as well as the shape and figure of the body. We need to study the fabric and shape and figure of the body to be able to do that. So this is like solving a riddle. First, we are going to take measurements, which are one, how wide the shoulder is, how fuller the bust is, and how fuller the waist is, or how small, whatever the work scope. So these are the three major keys to analyze the bodice of a female. We are going to take the measurement of the shoulder, we are going to take that of the chest or the bust, and we are going to take that of the waist. So this value, whatever value we got from taking these measurements, are what we are going to put down on paper as a sketch of the body. This is just like drawing map of the body. It is just like drawing a map for your body. Once all these measurements are taken, we are going to put this down as a way of drawing map for the body. So this shape is like the flat version of the body. This shape is like the flat version of the body. Is how it is. Here is where the neck will be. This is the shoulder, and here is the armhole. So this is like the flat version of the body. Why this guideline matters is that garments are designed to fit these areas, that is the shoulder, the bust, and the waistline or the waist. And here is the trick. How do we make this flat paper or this flat fabric, for example, curve or mold into our body? And that is where the trick. So the secret is we draw lines. These are the lines. These are special lines we draw in the body. Special lines, they are called darts. These special lines are called darts. These will be molded or will be taken in. So here is the magic. Our bodies are not flat. Our bodies are in flat. So we add darts to the patterns. These little folds, the darts are the little folds you see in front of your garment. So these little folds create curves around the bust, the waistline, the back, making the bodies to fit smugly. This is the back of a bodice. Okay, so I'll be doing an example of me taking it. That there is a special line already. I'm having this pattern that fits smugly around my shoulder. It's my neckline, shoulder, armhole, and bust. Look at the curve. This is a 1/4. You can see how I molded a flat paper. This was a flat paper. I molded this flat paper to take up the shape of my body. You can see shoulder aligns with shoulder, neckline aligns to the neckline, armhole aligns to the armhole, and waistline aligns to the waistline. Will you like the practical version of this? If yes, see me or I'll see you in the comment section. Bye.